what's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. We're going to be cooking up a Cajun black-eyed pea jambalaya. We're going to be doing it in our rice cooker. I want to throw this out there right now. You don't have to have a fancy rice cooker. Any old rice cooker will do. If you don't have a rice cooker, then you need to get one. Let's get busy. Alright, so to get this party started, we're going to need to start out with some chopped vegetables here. And I have 1 onion going in. And I'm just using this handy dandy little chopper here that I got. I'll leave a link below where you can get one of these on Amazon. It makes life so much easier when it comes to chopping vegetables. Alright, there's our 1 onion. Now we got 1 green bell pepper going in as well. That'll about do it for that. Moving on. Alright, we got our little cooktop going here. We're going to add just a splash of oil, not too much. Alright, we're a little heated up there, and going in right now, I have about a 50-50 blend here. This is regular smoked sausage, and I just chopped a half of it up and left the other in rounds there. Just how I like it. And this is, I'm using a ½ pound, but you could use up to 1.5 pounds if you wanted to. So we're just going to saute this up for about 3 minutes, and then we'll add in our vegetables. Alright, we got it's been about 3 minutes there, so now we're going to go in with these vegetables. So for all you meal preppers out there, you could put all of the ingredients here, saute this up, put all your ingredients together, including our rice, including the butter, leave everything out except for the broth that we're going to be using. Freeze this stuff, and then when you get ready to do it, throw all that stuff in your rice cooker and then add your liquid, and boom, you're ready to go. Alright, so we're just going to continue sauteing this up for about another 3 minutes, and then we'll move on to our next step. Alright, that's nice and browned up there, guys. And listen, this is a totally unnecessary step. If you didn't want to do this, you don't have to. I was just looking for a little Maillard reaction because this is going to give it a little bit of a flavor pop. But again, if you didn't want to do this step, you could just go straight to your rice cooker. Alright, next step. We've got our vegetables here that we sauteed up. We're going to go in with all of those. Get in there, you little badger. 1.5 cups of rice. Alright, I got a 15-ounce can of black-eyed peas with jalapenos. I'm using this brand right here. This is Trappy's. This is a 15-ounce can, or a 15.5-ounce can. A ½ teaspoon of Tony Chachere's. That's a Creole seasoning, and it looks like this. Hopefully you can see that. A ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. A ½ teaspoon of paprika. Now we got going in as a 14.5-ounce can of beef broth. A ½ stick of melted butter. And let's give it a quick mix. Just make sure we get those spices and everything incorporated in there. Oh man, that looks delicious, guys. Alright, shut your lid, press cook, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, my rice cooker has just went from the cook setting to the keep warm setting. I'm going to let it sit here for exactly 10 minutes, and then we'll open it up and have a look. Alright, it's been 10 minutes, and look at that. Woo! Alright, let's just give it a little peek here. Looks fantastic. Alright, let's give this a sample. Alright, here we go. That's going to be good. I already know it is. Oh yeah. Perfect fluffy rice. You got that nice creaminess of the black-eyed peas. You get the saltiness of that smoked sausage going on. This is a Cajun delight right here. Alright guys, Cajun black-eyed pea jambalaya in your rice cooker. Do it.